So just a quick video. This happened a couple of years ago and now it happened again where the kitchen sink pipes leaked. Last time it was on the right side and the water flooded the whole cabinet and I had to take everything out and clean it. This time it was on the left side and luckily I had the garbage can right there and I just put that under, that caught most of it. But the reason it happens, so the two sinks are connected and when one sink gets plugged, so like I didn't know there were a bunch of dishes in it before I got to wash them and the plug was in, so it filled up with water. When I went to take the plug out to drain it, all the water flooded out here. So I didn't know the other sink was plugged as well and I didn't know that the pipes were loose. So apparently pipes can just come loose on their own, like just like a screw can come loose in a chair or a stool, but that makes more sense because you're using it and you can see that. But this, you don't even touch them and they come loose. But apparently the hot water makes them expand, so I guess just every so often check because you can just tighten it by hand. But yeah, this is still turning. Like this seems like it never gets completely tight, but this down here, this black wash or whatever, was really loose, so I had to tighten all that up and luckily, knock on wood, MDF, it never happened again. So yeah, so every so often just check your pipes. So you don't need to call a plumber. Don't panic if this happens. Maybe it's just an easy fix and you can just tighten the pipes. And yeah, so just wanted to share that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.